high volume.
How you gonna throw it away?
AJB, you made this.
Sugar Natalia, I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, I'll be installing this wig from Luvme here. The wig came with like this little band in it, and it's really for like glueless. So I was like, I might as well give glueless a try, and we're gonna see how this goes using this what is it, Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I really never did glueless on my channel before, but I'm trying to give you guys more variety videos, and I want to show you guys a quick and easier way to apply your wigs. As you can see, I didn't do the ball cap method. I just put on a stocking cap and put some makeup on the cap to match with my skin tone. So I already bleached the knots off camera. The wig did come pre-plucked, but I did pluck it some more, and you guys see in the beginning all the stuff that came with the wig. So now we're just going to go ahead and apply the wig. I didn't tell you guys, this wig is HD lace. They call it their invisible lace, but no, really, like, where is the lace? Where is the lace? Like, I'm so excited to put this on because where is the lace? The wig fits really nice and snug, so I just pinned the hair back just so I can like see what I'm doing. It fits. Ooh, dang y'all, I ripped that wig. That's how you know that lace is thin, if you can just, if it ripped like that. Okay, so now we can go ahead and start applying the wig. Like I said, we're using this spray today. This is my first time using this, but I've seen videos of people using it, so I'm definitely excited to give this a try. So all I'm going to do is just spray it like on my hairline right here, and then blow dry it dry.
AJB, you made this.
Okay y'all, so I'm back. My camera had died, but all I did was just spray the spray on the other side, and then I put my elastic band on and I let it sit for about 10 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and take it off and cut off the excess lace. This has like a strong hold, like it really feel like it's on there. Please don't mind my voice, I'm a little sick, and of course I actually was to talk in this video. Now we're ready to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. I did notice how their wigs are constructed, like it kind of give you like an ear tab, I guess. Like it kind of was already like no lace right there for the ears to get cut out. It's hard to explain, but I like that. I always cut like little sections and then cut the lace off. So I'm just going to use my razor and just cut off the excess lace. I don't know if you guys can see like a little bit of like some of the lace sticking up. So we're just gonna take the spray again and just like spray that little parts lightly. Like don't OD and spray it a whole lot because it can cause the lace to lift. I'm just gonna like lightly spray and pat on those parts that you can still see the lace. Okay, y'all, so now we're about to get into the baby hair. So I'm just gonna be parting out some sections for the baby hair. I do have an in-depth baby hair tutorial I can probably put up here for you guys if y'all want to check it out. But yeah, let's get into it.
AJB, you made this. AJB, you made this.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and curled the hair off camera. Now we're about to get back into these baby hairs. But because we sprayed all the spray, it was kind of difficult getting the hair out of the wig, you know, to lay the baby hairs. So I would suggest you like comb the spray like out a little bit and then lay the baby hairs. And also I use my spritz, this spritz right here. I use that on the root and kind of like slick the root down and like pressed it and then put the elastic band on so it can lay really flat. And as y'all can see, that really worked. So right now I'm about to go ahead and thin the baby hair out a little bit with my tweezers, cut them and mold them with our Eco Styler gel. I don't think it's smart to use anything wet like mousse or anything because it can like make the lace lift up. You know this is a glueless, so you want to be like real particular with the products that you use the Eco Styler gel, and then that's gonna be it for the video.